Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. How much can I transfer out of my Ally savings account? I'm going to start by giving you a quick overview of Ally Bank and their savings accounts. Then, I'll answer the question in detail. Finally, I'll give you some tips on how to make the most of your Ally savings account. Body. Ally Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking products, including savings accounts. Ally savings accounts are known for their high interest rates and no monthly fees. There are two types of Ally savings accounts, the high-yield savings account and the interest checking account. The high-yield savings account has a higher interest rate than the interest checking account. So, how much can you transfer out of your Ally savings account? The amount of money you can transfer out of your Ally savings account depends on the type of account you have and your account balance. If you have a high-yield savings account, you can transfer up to $10,000 per day. You can also transfer up to $25,000 per month. If you have an interest checking account, you can transfer up to $25,000 per day. You can also transfer up to $100,000 per month. There are a few things to keep in mind when transferring money out of your Ally savings account. You may be charged a fee for transferring money out of your account. The amount of time it takes for your transfer to process will vary depending on the transfer method you use. You may need to provide identification to verify your identity. Now that you know how much you can transfer out of your Ally savings account, let's talk about some tips on how to make the most of your account. Here are a few tips. Set up automatic transfers. This will help you save money regularly without having to think about it. Take advantage of the high interest rate. Ally offers one of the highest interest rates on savings accounts. Use your account to save for specific goals. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Monitor your account regularly. This will help you make sure that your money is safe and secure. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I would also like to encourage you to do your research before choosing a bank. There are many different banks out there, and it is important to find one that meets your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.